The vine and the branches. The vine and the branches. What is a vine? Yes, very good. Turudi darasani. Yes. The vine is the tree which grapes grow from. Yes? When we use grapes to make what? Wine. Yes. And also we can eat grapes on their own. We don't have to make wine only. We can make a kind of a beverage, non-alcoholic. We are Christians here. Yes. Wine is the best. We can also, you can go in the market and get grapes. Yes. Yes, for stress. No, the stress will not go away. I'm even challenging you when you go home and you get your phone. Can you go Google benefits of drinking? There are no benefits. There are no benefits. It does not relieve stress. The stress will come out tomorrow. So now let us come back to the vine and branches. I've told you the vine is the tree itself, right? That grows the grapes. Can we read John chapter 15, verse 1 to 10? Chapter 15, verse 1 to 10. You are supposed to reach verse 10. So I talked about, now here we have the vine, which is the tree, which brings forth the what? The grapes. So God in the Bible is the vine dresser. Vine dresser is the farmer. You see the farmer who's has vines. Yes. Now God is the vine dresser, is the farmer. Vine dresser is the farmer. Then Jesus is the what? Now the tree itself. You see vine. The vine is the tree itself. And then you as a Christian, you are the branches. You Christians, you are the followers of Christ. Remember? So you are the branches. Yes. Christian. If you are unfaithful Christian, we've said you are unfruitful what? Branch, right? Yes. You are supposed to be cut and thrown away. You are supposed to be destroyed totally. You are supposed to be cut, destroyed. That is what the Bible says. But if you are a faithful Christian, that means you are fruitful. That means you are bringing forth the grapes. What you're supposed to be done is you're supposed to be pruned. You know how you prune? When you prune like a tree, see the branches sprout again. So you're supposed to be pruned so that you bring forth more what? Fruits. Because you are a fruitful Christian. So if you're an unfaithful Christian, you're supposed to be cut and destroyed. If you are fruitful, you're supposed to be pruned. You bring forth more what? Fruits. So Christians are told to continue bearing fruits. You should be the faithful Christian. And how do you become the faithful Christian who bears fruits? You are supposed to always be doing good, following the commandments. So now because we are using the vine and the branches, you see all of us as Christians, we are related to who? To God. We are related to God because we need the farmer, the vine dresser, yes, so that he can be able to plant us. And then the vine is God, yes, the tree itself. And as Christians, we are what? The branches. So we need God in our lives. As Christians, we also rely on God. We have to rely. The tree has to rely with the farmer, right? A tree cannot be there without the farmer. The farmer has to plant the what? The tree. So as Christians, we need the farmer. We need God. We need God to provide to us. The farmer, who is the vine dresser, provides what? Water, right? After planting, he provides water. And then he comes, he digs around the what? The tree. So we rely on God for all providence to provide us with all our needs. And as Christians, we are going to only prosper if we rely on Jesus. Because we need Jesus. Because Jesus is the tree itself. We are just the what? The branches that come about. So that's all about. Page 104. Is it 104?
Yes.
It's 104. Eh? 15 verse 1 to 10. He's the one who's reading, he's not read. Yes? The vine dresser.
Every branch
No, what is wrong now? Kuwa pole. Masai ni nani? Umesoma? Wanakuita Masai kwa sababu unaishi huko? Oh. Ama kwa nini wanakuita hivyo? We continue.
Every branch of mine that bears no fruit, he takes away, and every branch that does not bear fruit, he prunes, that it may be bear more fruit.
You are already being trained by the word which I have spoken to you.
Abide in me, and in you, as the branch cannot bear fruit by itself unless it abides in the vine, neither can you unless you abide in me.
I am the vine, you are the branches. He who abides in me and in him, it is that bears much fruit. For apart from me, you can do nothing.
If a man does not abide in me, he is cut off as a branch and withers, and the branches are gathered, thrown into the fire and burned.
If you abide in me, and my words abide in you, ask whatever you will, and it shall be done for you.
By this my Father is glorified, that you have much fruit, and so good to you.
As the Father has loved me, so have I loved you. Abide in my love.
If
you keep my commandments, you will abide in my love. Just as I have kept my Father's commandments and abide in his love. These things I have spoken to you.
yes, we